Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to know the status of bills and checks in accounts payable department. Here are some data where invoice date, invoice number, supplier, amount, check date, check number and status are given. From this sheet we know the status of bills and checks in different department. You can see here the status field. There are six status here. If I select the audit, it means the bills are in audit department. If I select approval, it means bills are in director approval. If I select check, it means we have to make the check. If I select signing, it means check are in signing position. If I select present, it means check is ready now. If I select dispatch, it means check is dispatched to the party. I just select present here. Here I have typed the 6 status here in second sheet status list. How we make this status field? Just select all the cells where you want to this combo box and just move to the data, and here is the option data validation. Just click here and select list here, and in source just go to the status list and select these 6 status and click OK. Now you can see here there is a combo box. You can select the status here. This is a simple trick to create a combo box. Now I want to create a pivot table to know the status of all the bills and checks. How can we manage this sheet? Just click anywhere in the sheet of data and go to the insert and click pivot table. Click OK. You can manage the pivot table here. Just you can see here the supplier field. Just drag it to the rows wise. Now you can see here the amount. Just I want to the sum of amount, that's why I just drag the amount into the values. And status, here is a status which is main field. Just drag it to the filter area. You can see here. Here I just select the status audit and click OK. All the bills which are in audit department display here. I just change the sheet name to audit. I just duplicate this sheet, move or copy and move to the end and create a copy. This is a duplicate sheet. I drag it to this here, and now change the name approval here. And select the filter area approval. It will display all the bills which are in director approval. Just duplicate this sheet, create a new copy. Here I select the option check and click OK. It will display all the bills which are ready to make a check. Just rename it. Now create another copy and select here signing and click OK. Now change the name signing. It will display all the checks which are in signing process. Now create another copy and select the present. It will display all the checks which are ready. Rename the sheet name. Now create another copy and select the filter dispatch. It will display all the checks which are dispatched to the party. Now it is very easy. If you click audit, it will display all the audit bills. If you click the sheet approval, it will display all the bills which are in approval process. If you click check, it will display all the bills which are in creating a check. If you click signing, it will display all the checks which are in signing process. If you click present, it will display all the checks which are ready. If you click dispatch, it will display all the checks which are dispatched to the party. It is very good tricks to manage your data in accounts payable department. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.